morning everyone. Today we are going to read about balanced diet. The food that we eat every day is our diet. A balanced diet contains all the nutrients in the right amount. Balanced diet क्या होता है? जिसमें सारे nutrients होते हैं, carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamin, minerals in the correct quantity. That is a balanced diet. A balanced diet keeps you healthy, fit, it helps you to grow, it helps you to repair your damaged parts. अगर आपको आलू के पराठे पसंद है तो आप रोज आलू के पराठे खाएंगे? नहीं ना. You have to eat fruits also, you have to eat vegetables also, you need to take milk also, all the things you have to take. Okay? अगर आप कोई एक न्यूट्रिएंट नहीं खाएंगे, like you're not eating green leafy vegetables or fruits, तो आपकी बॉडी के अंदर क्या हो जाएगा? विटामिन और मिनरल्स की कमी हो जाएगी. ठीक है, तो आपको क्या हो जाएगा? डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज हो जाएगी. डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज क्या होता है? A disease that is caused by the lack of some nutrient. Okay, so a balanced diet contains all the nutrients in the correct amount. We should eat healthy food with all the nutrients. Understood? Now see the video.
Balanced diet. We need energy for various external as well as internal activities. We also need other nutrients for growth and maintenance of the body. All these are obtained from food. For a healthy body, it is necessary to have food containing all the essential nutrients. For example, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers, and water in right quantity. Such food is called balanced diet. Basically, a single food item is not sufficient to provide all the nutrients. In order to have all the nutrients, we have to take mixture of food items, each of which is rich in and sufficient for a particular nutrient. Nutritional need is different for each person. Therefore, balanced diet is also different for different persons. Say for an example, a construction worker obviously do more physical work than a lawyer. Therefore, he need more energy than the lawyer. Therefore, the balanced diet for him should contain greater amount of energy giving substances such as carbohydrate and fats. Even the definition of balanced diet changes with our age. It is because with age, there are changes in our body as well as our activities. The diet must be supportive to these changes, and so one must consume appropriate diet. That is, balanced diet required at that age. Even at the same age, different people may not have same diet. For example, a boy's diet at an age is different than a girl's diet. Even the balanced diet varies from place to place and season to season. For getting a balanced diet, it is not necessary to have expensive food materials. In fact, simple meal can also serve the purpose. For example, mixture of cereals, mixture of rice with bajra, jawar and ragi, use of sprouted seeds, use of fruits like banana, guava, apple, plenty of green vegetables, fermented food like idli are all cost effective and good for health. We should also make sure that the food is cooked correctly. For example, cutting the vegetables or fruits and then washing them may lead to removal of essential nutrients. Repeated washing of rice and pulses can also cause removal of nutrients. If excess water is used during cooking, then also some nutrients get removed from food. Junk food often contain large amount of fats but no or very little amount of other nutrients. in unhygienic conditions. It may also contain disease-causing agents. So do you think eating junk food is right choice? No, it is not. In fact, it often causes problems such as digestive problems, obesity, and many more. Improper nutrition results in malnutrition. If a particular nutrient is very less or not available for longer time, then it leads to undernutrition or undernourishment. Likewise, getting too much of nutrient causes overnourishment or also called overnutrition. Both undernutrition and overnutrition are malnutrition. It causes abnormal development of body parts, stunted growth, and similar problems. So, having a balanced diet is not only important but also essential for everyone's body. So, I hope you understood all the concepts in this video very well. Thanks.